A friend recommended to me a book called Survival of the Sickest. And in it introduced me to something called the Aquatic Ape Hypothesis that blew my mind. The book, Survival of the Sickest, it's a series of essays about evolutionary biology, and it explains the sort of environmental factors that helped make us the human beings that we are. And almost as an aside, it brought up this idea called the Aquatic Ape Hypothesis, which tries to resolve some of the mysteries of our anatomy. For example, why do we have, subcutaneous fat attached to our skins? Other apes don't have that. Chimpanzees and orangutans and gorillas, the other great apes with whom we're closely related, they don't have that. Dolphins do. The manatee does. Whales do. Why do our nostrils point down instead of out? Chimpanzees and other great apes, their nostrils point out, but ours point down. And why do we walk upright on two legs? Given the costs to the reproductive risks of passing a massive human baby brain through the female pelvis that is designed to accommodate bipedalism, why would we bother, evolutionarily speaking, walking upright? And the answer is, according to this hypothesis, because our ancient ancestors were aquatic. Why do our nostrils point down? So we can dive. Why do we walk on two legs? So we can keep our heads up above the water. And why do we have subcutaneous fat, like dolphins and whales, instead of like chimps and gorillas? Because it helps keep us smooth when we're swimming. Maybe insulates us against the cold waters of the glacier melt East African streams from which our species sprung. If this is true, if we were the aquatic apes, and that explains these mysteries of our anatomy better than other hypotheses, what it means is that we belong in the water. And that might be one of the reasons that people find the water, the bath, the beach, so healing.